now get you some news from Karnataka. Students in the education hub of Manipal in coastal Karnataka have been living in fear since they heard the shocking news of a student's gang rape a few days ago. The young woman, a medical student from Kerala, was later admitted to a hospital in Manipal where she is currently undergoing treatment.
It was meant to be a late-night study session at the library and a short walk home. But that simple plan became a nightmare for one young medical student in Manipal, who was grabbed by some men in an auto rickshaw and later allegedly gang raped.
We all are very insecure. We are searching a rapist in all men's face.
No arrests have been made so far. 4 people have been detained for questioning. The state government is aware it needs to be seen as taking the matter seriously. And the Home Minister visited the young woman in the hospital where she was being treated.
We are taking very seriously this matter. An investigation is going on. We have formed about 8 teams, and our ADGP is also sent from Bangalore.
The violent crime has shocked students in this university town.
But when such a thing happens, so every Manipalite, it is something which shocks you, stumps you from the inside.
Manipal attracts students from around the country, and members of the student community held protests demanding greater security and for action to be taken in this case.
Many students from northeast, from North India, South India, all over the India have come here to study, and all the parents expect at least a good security from the government, from where we have come to study to get our education.
Manipal has been shocked by the brutal attack on a young woman student, and it will take a long time before a sense of confidence and security is restored among the students here. With DM Kumar, Maya Sharma in Manipal for NDTV.
And for more on that story, let's now go across to my colleague Maya Sharma, who joins us live from Manipal, which is where that horrendous incident took place. Maya, as we know, Manipal is a huge education hub that caters to thousands of students. And while crimes against women are reported from all parts of the country, what's shocking about this incident is that until now, the students studying there had felt safe being in that area, but perhaps not any longer.
Manipal, when you visit there, is such a safe, serene-looking location. It looks like a student's paradise, and it was really considered that until that terrible incident, students here and in the neighbouring town of Udupi are certainly very anxious about what has gone on. What was your reaction when you first heard about the attack?
We were shocked. Like, I didn't even expect that this would happen in our country. I mean, our nation, Manipal. That too. That was horrible when I heard that. Oh God, I can't even explain what happened.
Does it make you feel more scared now? Do you feel a sense of unsafety and security?
Yeah, that's true. That every girl now in Udupi, they feel unsecured because every day we all travel in by bus and by rickshaw, and we are not getting the security which we are expecting. And it is very sad to say that such things are happening in college area where students are going like every day they go oftenly, and we are feeling very sad to be here now.
Very, very sad.
Yes.
What would you like to security to do to make you feel safe?
No, actually now we don't have any safe. I mean, we don't feel anywhere. If we go anywhere, we don't feel security. See, because all this, and that too, this all happened in Manipal. It was shocked. We didn't expect this in Manipal. That too, in North though it's common in the sense it happens, but no one takes any reaction for it. It's been just common, but here it's like hell.
The thing is, which has happened in before 1 month back, it has happened in Delhi. Now it's in Manipal. Now government has to provide to the girls.
A sense of horror among students. They have gathered here actually. Students have gathered to protest against the incident that happened. They want security. So far no arrests, 4 people detained for questioning, 8 teams formed to look into this incident. But certainly a sense of insecurity now among students here in Manipal.
Right, Maya, thanks so much for bringing us those details. So strong protests there, and that's clearly because the students there up until now felt safe in that area, but not any longer after that horrific incident that took place just a few days ago.